Hello everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing the KZ ZSN Pros, or KZ ZSN, I don't know how it's pronounced. So the one I bought comes with both the earphones as well as a carrying case. So depending on where you shop, you might actually get the case for just a bit extra, but it costs extra. So let's start. Okay, so we have this case over here. It's got the KZ logo on the front. Let me just brighten it. As you can see, then if you open it up, there's this bit of pouch here where you can put, guessing a cable. And this is where the earphones can go in. So if you get the version that comes with the case, it's going to cost extra. Then you're gonna have the earphones here. So here's the front of the box. It's fairly basic. And you've got the back, where it just lists the specifications again, things like weight, impedance, and all of that. And let's take off this plastic wrap around it first. I think it slides, so let's slide them out. Here are the earphones. The nice thing about these is the fact that they come with a detachable cable. So if later on you want to change to a Bluetooth setup, then you can do that. Or if you want to buy a better set of cables, that's also possible. Okay, so then you got the cable here. As you can see, it's got this brownish color and it's a braided cable. I think that's what it's called. You just plug this into the earphones and you're good to go. Once again, you can always have the option of adding a microphone. Then here are the earphones themselves. So I've gone for the metallic gray color. So you just push them up from the bottom and they come out. So as you can see, it's got the metal finish on the outer part. Then you got the resin on the inside. It's clear, so if you bring this up close, you can see the insides of the speaker, of the earphone speaker, if that interests you. So let me just connect these now. Okay, so now I've got them set up. Apparently you first have to burn them in before you use them. For around 5 minutes you have to play a song at medium volume. So I'll let that happen. One thing you notice right away is that these things are pretty heavy. Like compared to an ordinary set of earphones. Like for example, compared to these cheap ones, these ones like this. These ones are like so much heavier. Like you can feel it. So I'm wondering if that will impact the listening experience. So now let's go ahead and give them a try. We will be using the normal ear tips for this first test.